What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best cameras for enthusiasts in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with number 5, Panasonic Lumix S5 II. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II builds on the original Lumix S5. With a tough, compact frame, class-leading 5-axis in-body image stabilization, and excellent color science. The most significant new addition is a phase hybrid autofocus system that combines PDAF with contrast detect AF to provide 779 area metering. This means it's better at detecting and tracking subjects, especially in low-light and backlit scenarios. The Lumix S5 II gives you truly unlimited 4K 60p4, 210-bit recording internally, S and Q 4K 60p, a high-speed 60 FPS, and FHD 180p, as well as up to 6K full sensor readout video recording, making it a highly versatile camera for content creation. Let's switch to the number 4, Fujifilm X100V. Fujifilm's classic compact camera is in its 5th iteration and is still beloved by enthusiasts everywhere. With a fixed lens sporting a 23 mm equivalent focal length paired with an X-trans sensor bearing 26. 1 MP of resolution, it's a fearsome imaging machine. The other half of the equation is its slim and pocketable construction and the gorgeous dial-based controls that harken back to the days of film SLRs, all of which makes the X100V incredibly fun to use and shoot with. It's ideal for street photography and everyday shooting. Lots of pros swear by the X100V as their second camera when they don't want to lug their full setup around, and this makes it seriously tempting for enthusiasts of all types. It's easy to forget that photography should be fun, and the X100V delivers that in spades, as well as premium image quality. We are going to number 3, Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III. The Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is an exceptional camera and a worthy successor to the highly regarded EM5 Mark II. This new camera uses Olympus's flagship 4 MP micro four thirds sensor, and while this might put some people off, these sensors are smaller than APS-C, the image quality is top-notch, particularly when this camera can shoot 50 MP images via pixel shift. Its other abilities are equally amazing, including 6.5 stops of in-body stabilization, 30 FPs burst shooting, including via Pro Capture mode with 14-shot pre-buffering, C4K and 4K video, Olympus's brilliant live composite modes, and plenty more. It's probably one of the last models to have the Olympus name as the company rebrands as Ohm Digital Solutions, but we hope the cameras keep on coming, even if the name enters the history books. Let's talk about number 2, Fujifilm X-T4. While full-frame mirrorless cameras do feel like the celebrities of the photo world right now, APS-C models are still coming along leaps and bounds, and many are replete with spectacular features. Case in point, the Fujifilm X-T4, which may have an APS-C sensor, but also happens to be one of the finest mirrorless cameras ever made. Although also check out the newer, more expensive Fujifilm X-T5. Superb retro styling meets a spectacular image sensor that produces fabulous images straight out of camera, and now with fast burst shooting and 6.5 stop image stabilization, the X-T4 is very much able to roll in the big leagues. Then there's the vari-angle touchscreen that makes it possible to shoot from all sorts of different angles, the 4K 60p video that looks fantastic, the film simulation modes. Well, we could gush about this camera all day. We are presenting number 1 of our list, Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 has an enthusiast price tag, but some very desirable pro features such as a lightning-fast shutter, 5-axis of in-body stabilization, and the same dual-pixel CMOS AF2 as found in the high-end Canon EOS R5 and R6 with human, animal, and vehicle subject recognition. One of the benefits of the Canon EOS R7 over a full-frame Canon mirrorless system is its 1.6x crop factor, which makes your lenses even longer for shooting subjects in the distance. If you're someone who likes to dabble with video, the R7 delivers both high-quality photos and videos. It's able to record in 4K 60p or 7K oversampled 4K 30p, plus the added benefit of 8 stops of image stabilization means you could even shoot smooth video handheld. The button layout is very intuitive and includes a joystick that can be used for navigation or to select a focus point. It has a fully articulating screen, dual memory cards, and it's incredibly lightweight. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best cameras for enthusiasts in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.